Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my favorite tools to have on hand. This is the Wahl Pure Confidence Rechargeable Electric Razor, Trimmer, Shaver, and Groomer for women. So besides just being pretty, because it's pink, this Wahl Personal Trimmer has a bunch of great qualities, and I just want to share a few of them with you. I love it because it is rechargeable, so it has its own charging cord, so you're not going to have to worry about replacing batteries. It does have this typical shaving head, comes with a guard, which is really nice. And then also it even has a eyebrow guard. So that's a really cool little nifty feature. But also you can just twist this right off. A couple different heads that it comes with are this close little personal shaver one. That's really good for some of that more delicate skin or something you just want a really close personal shave with. So that one's great. But I want to share with you my absolute favorite, and that is this head. And I know what you're thinking, what in the world? But I actually love this to give myself a good at-home dermaplane. That's right, dermaplane. Let me show you. So I had actually started getting dermaplaning done professionally, which unfortunately it does get really expensive really fast. But I love the way it does take off, as you can see, all the little peach fuzz, and it takes off kind of like the top layer of dead skin, and it just helps so that when you use your skincare and then you put your makeup on, your face feels great, it looks better. And I love that this Wahl trimmer is just multi-purpose, great for eyebrows, great for your face, great for any bikini lines, anything you need to trim. And as we all know, the Wahl brand is incredible. So this is an awesome tool to have on hand, whatever your needs may be. If you need a personal groomer, trimmer, or even just want to dermaplane your own face like I do, this Wahl is it. I love it. I know you will, and that's my point of view.